Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. I'm just simply deleting this part so the inside part I'll show you in full detail. Otherwise, it's getting heavy. So I saved it as another level, and now in this level, I'm just modifying it. With just this section. Just everything I have deleted, I cleaned it so that I can focus on this area and create entire thing easily. And here front also I can see this part is visible. And just make sure there is no light penetration from this side. Just like roughly placed it. So now I can just focus on this interior only and make everything with nice high detail. Okay. So I was adding all this dirt and all. If you zoom in, you can see there's a slight stretch. That means the bounding box of this thing is way too thick. Like this placement. So I cannot see any stretch here. It's clean. Now this side also. Where is it? Yeah, all the stretch is gone. Much better now. So now this light and everything, if I convert those light into a movable, this preview thing will go. So you see, now it's not showing any preview, anything. Now let's add some graffiti posters and all those things. And this one looks like pretty big. If I want, I can reduce it. So this is like we haven't textured all these floors and everything. So I need to add nice dirt here. So if I want, I can do the same thing, Alt and drag. The corners, all this dirt is required. This side also I need dirt. So best will be if I use some. You can see there's a lot of like decal maps are available that I can use directly. And because like the idea behind it is the way we texture in Substance. So we have to create something like that only, like with full detail and everything, with different decal maps. It's loading. Some dirt, pile of garbage. Resize it nicely. Rotate. Add some variation. See banana peel and all. I can definitely use all this thing. Some burnt cardboard. Loading. Open. Mail. Okay. No mail from any one of you. So let's nicely align. So all this wall should be dirty. So I need some dirt for those walls. Because there's a lot of leakage, dirt, and all these things are there. I can use this one. Loading. Still loading. You guys have any doubt or any like anything like you want to ask or your regarding your own project? Any confusion? Ask me those things. I'll explain everything. Still loading. Loaded.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, when unwrapping, how should I like pack them with different materials? So, for example, in my model, there are mostly rock type materials,
Hmm.
marble floors and all.
Hmm.
So and some have like wooden structures and glass in them. So should
Hmm.
I make a separate packing for all the wooden structure, glass, and rock, or should I like pack one single object at consisting of all different types of materials in one pack?
So like depends like what process you're following. Like suppose you right now I'm showing you use how to use stylable maps and how to add details in Unreal directly without touching Substance. So if you follow this technique, want to follow this technique, then you just have to like pack whatever any way you like it. It doesn't matter. You just have to assign materials based on the separate texture and details. So one wall can have multiple material assigned. One section, one section is tiles, one section is wooden, one section is metal. So you have to assign like a different based on the material. You have to assign like property of the surface. You have to assign different materials. But if you want to do it in Substance, then you have to pack it based on the individual material. Like one asset is one material and one UV. So what you do is whatever you're combining UV packing, attach those object together. Otherwise, you will get confused and make sure. See, one thing to understand: one material means one individual UV, one individual texture. So if you have multiple maps assigned, multiple material assigned to model, it means it have like suppose there's three materials assigned to object. Let's see, I'll show you. So this one, if I control A, so I'll just delete history. So here I can see this one have two materials assigned, Lambert 1 and Blinn 17. So that means Blinn 17 is a different texture, different UV, no connection with the rest of the body, rest of the part basically. And Lambert 1 is like assigned to one part, so that UV is entirely different, texture different. So these two can overlap together, but they have different materials. So there is no connection. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So like, based on what process you are following, suppose I want to texture this in Substance. So what I'll do, I'll just unwrap the entire thing at once and texture it in Substance and apply one material only. Or if I want to separate the doors, then I have to create two different set of materials, two different set of UVs, and then texture it in Substance. That also works perfectly. So like based on if you want texture in Substance, then you have to based on the requirement of Substance, apply the materials, UV it properly, one material, one UV shell, one UV template. So pack it like that. So if suppose I have like multiple map texture can be reused multiple times, that doesn't mean you have to combine them. So you can have separate materials also, or if you want, you can combine it also. That will work perfectly without any problem. Let's see.
Sir, so I was thinking like you're doing, I'm going to do like I'm going to use stylable materials in Unreal. And for some smaller objects, I'm going to texture it in Substance.
Yes, that's even I planned the same thing. So because all walls and all, if you try to texture it, it will be blurry. So for that, you need to use tile level maps to get the exact nice clarity. So you can apply two materials based on the material. For the if you separate the material, there is no connection between UV. So this gray and this purple, there is no connection of UV because these two are two separate objects, two separate materials. So this will have call the texture from this gray and this will call the texture from this purple. So you can change the tiling here, you can change the tiling here. So these two are separate. So if I unwrap this, so here you can see I just unwrapped everything together and just packed it. So resolution wise, both are exactly same. You can keep it separate also. You just have to make sure everything is tiled properly. They're snapped properly. Most of the lines are straight as much as possible. Then you can just simply assign anything. It will work perfectly without any problem. Okay, that is you can do. And this now this side. Now this one I can just nicely. Yeah. And just align this here. So I have added all this dirt and everything here. So if this is, I am planning to have some leakage and all. So there is a project called an Unreal Marketplace called Reflection or Refraction, something. A project is there, free of cost available. You can download that one. And in that, they have a lot of tileable or lot of decal of water material. So if you want, you can definitely use that. That will help you. Let's see. Place it somewhere here, or maybe. And this is like I can see it's way too big. I placed it. Now let's see. I guess I have that water thing. A couple of water materials I have, but these are just material instances. These are not decal maps. Let me check. It's a material. It's not. So I guess I don't have that package here. So no problem. Some blood. It's again a material. It's not a thing. What do you call it? It's not decal map. This is again a material. This one is decal. So check. Loading again. We can place it like some corner. Place it nicely. those dirt and all I can see. Just like you can see, there's a lot of posters are there. I can use this. Some wooden scrap is also there. Rubble. So, but if I see, if you see here, zoom in, you can see this decal, other decals overlapping this. But if you suppose you don't want to do that, in that case, you can see sort by order. Click here, change the number. So one means this is the first priority. So this will be the on the top. Like it's kind of layering. So I'm just layering it. Let's see if I have some other decals. Just opening bridge. Decals. Let's use some graffiti. Let's make it a little interesting. You can see you have decal of doors also. Leakage. It's loading now. Let's see. Metal, moss. Okay, let's export couple of them. Like this one I want to export. And where it's updated? Very strange. I can't see anything updated here. Export. It's like Megascan Atlas Graffiti. Okay, Megascan Atlas Graffiti. Okay, it's there, but I don't know. Due to some, it's already saved. Yeah. See, let's rotate this. Direction is wrong. And if you want to change the color or something, you can double click this material. I can see you have color overlay. It changes color also. Intensity can increase to make it look brighter or something. You see, you can change the color also here. If you want, you can definitely modify it. Yes, G and check. So a lot more things we can do here. We can add a lot of like some leakage, some water material, something. So Right now I don't have it. So there is a package available like Reflection. I believe the package is named Reflection in Marketplace. It's a project. It's available free of cost. You can download that. It have a lot of water decal, and you can use that. It's some nice effect. You can see all the repetition. I can like very easily get rid of those things, repetition or repetitive things. Save it. Some blood stain was there. I want to check that. I had all these patches, dirt. Decals. So like something like this, I want to create a partition or some trim, so I can just definitely use it and create little like partition. Painted concrete trim. Maybe something like this. Maybe this also can download. Looks interesting. Oh, this one also have exported, right? This is about this one. Yeah, here it is. Usually in it to like water thing, we have a this kind of a surface just to get a better grip. -1, so I can see through all those things. See? So layering, I can plan out nicely and add all these detail, and these are all tileable. So just download a couple of things like this one. I want to export this one. Resolution select, export it. Painted concrete trim. Painted concrete trim. And these are all tileable, will tile perfectly. Repeat all this trim. So similarly, now let's add some like broken things. Statical map, I can use it there also. I can increase the size, scale, and then snap it. I can elongate this thing and then place it. So they can have more variation. It should not look like same thing repeating again and again. And then they call this leakage I have. There's something just like this one, not this one. Wall rust. This one. Blend them. A bit more variation. Align it nicely. So you can see you could create like very nice look detail and all these things very easily. And this is also I can just rotate. Continue this very easily. So I can see like all this detail, dirt, everything can plan on screen only and create all this design. So with this technique, you can create a really high quality scene within very less time. So do this. I'll take a few minutes. Just give me a second. Balaji present, Sai Supat present, Rachit present, Srijan Roy present, Vishnu present, Chintan is now, Chintan also present, everybody is present. Okay, nice. So like work on your scene. We don't have much time left. So I guess Rachit, no, Sai Suprach once sent me a one update, and I haven't seen any update from any one of you. So like finish it. I like work on it. Use this time as an opportunity and work on it because I guess you have only one more module left. So do not waste time. If you want to get just after finishing, if you want to get a job, uh, start working on a portfolio. Use it as a portfolio piece, and like whatever you're working, make sure it's a portfolio piece, and finish everything with that quality. So quality is the utmost priority. So like focus on quality. Okay, then I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.